Hey you guys, and welcome back to Time to Unwind with your girl Yamika. Today we're going to be talking about how to keep your wine fresh after you have opened it. And I'm also going to be giving you some great resources on how to keep your wine fresh. So if this is your first time watching our video, watching our channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe with your girl. Now that we got that out the way, let's dive right into it. Say for instance, you open your bottle of wine and you messed up your cork, don't have nothing else to close your bottle of wine with, and you want to know how can you close your bottle of wine. I'm here to help you with that. Okay you guys, once you have opened that bottle of wine, don't be afraid to refrigerate your wine. I know it may sound cliche, but the first step for you guys when you have an open bottle of wine is to refrigerate it. Just to let you guys know, cooler temperatures slow down the chemical process, including oxidation. They're gonna be like, she trying to give chemical lessons. A reclosed bottle of wine, you guys, can stay fresh in the refrigerator for up to 5 days or longer, just if you don't drink it up before 5 days. So like I said to you guys before, you might have messed up your cork when you was opening your bottle of wine. That's normal because I do that all the time. So in order for you not to clean up a spill in your refrigerator, I need you guys to stay tuned because I'm gonna give you guys some good tools that I recommend that you actually get in order when your cork mess up on your bottle of wine once you try to put it in the refrigerator. So you guys, please stay tuned. Your girl will be right back. Welcome back you guys, welcome back. Like I stated before, we was talking about the corks and everything when opening a bottle of wine. So when you're opening your bottle of wine, it's always a problem. You can damage your cork. Even though you have a refrigerator, you still need some type of way to preserve your wine while it's in the refrigerator. So now you guys, you have that damaged cork. You may be wondering, what can I use in order to preserve my wine while it's in the refrigerator? So what I discovered to help with this common issue, drum roll please, a stainless steel press type wine bottle stopper. I got about 3 or 4 of these in my kitchen. Even if you heard of this before or not, I had to share this with you as this has saved my life and my refrigerator 1,000 times. There are many types of these bottle stoppers, but you choose what works best for you. The main one we like using is the stainless steel press type wine bottle stopper, which is in the shape of a cork, but it has rubber inside it. The good thing about these stoppers is that they all have rubber within them. You will have no leaks even when your wine is laying on the side in the refrigerator. I will be leaving the links in the description to the wine bottle stopper and other types as well, so be sure to visit my description below for that. Now, another type of wine bottle stopper will be the one shaped like a cone and it fits directly inside of the wine bottle neck. It also wrapped with rubber, which helps preserve the wine and prevents leaks as well. This type is another one of my favorite next to the stainless steel one mentioned earlier. Like I said before, there are many types of these wine bottle stoppers, but you choose which one works for you. So there you have it you guys in a nutshell, how to preserve your wine if you damage your cork. So if you found value to this video, please like, share, comment, let your girl know what you think. Guess what time it is you guys? It's comment time. It's comment time. What is your favorite type of wine? Is it dry, sweet, semi-sweet? Let your girl know. If you guys want to learn more, feel free to click the link below in my description. You can actually shop with your girl and learn more about One Hope. Your girl is going to be out. But first thing I want you guys to do, again, go ahead and like and go ahead and share this video. Until next time, I'll see you later.